Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X6B, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. To get started, you will want to hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time, and let go of the power button once you see the Honor logo on the screen. Now when the screen turns black, you can also let go of the volume up, and shortly you'll be taken to the recovery mode. Now in here you can navigate by simply just tapping on each one of these options. And going over the options that we have access to, we have Restart, which takes us back to Android, Clear Data, which consists of two options, Wipe Cache Partition and Factory Reset. We have Update Mode and Save Mode. So in any case, I'm going to stick with the first option, which, like I mentioned before, will now just boot up the device back into its normal operating system. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.